Welcome to JH. Today, I'll demonstrate how to transfer an Excel spreadsheet to Google Drive and enable editing. This simple method is perfect for accessing files remotely or collaborating with teammates in real time. By following this tutorial, you will master managing your Excel documents within the Google ecosystem seamlessly. Start by visiting Google Drive. Launch your preferred web browser and enter the Google Drive URL to reach the homepage. Once there, ensure you are logged into your Google account. If you aren't signed in yet, do so now to access all the storage features available. After entering the Drive dashboard, the next step is to import your file. Head to the top left corner and click the New button, which features a plus icon. From the resulting drop-down menu, choose File Upload. This action lets you pick documents from your local computer storage to move them directly to the cloud. A navigation window will appear, prompting you to locate the specific Excel sheet you need. Browse through your folders, highlight the file, and press Open to begin the transfer. You can track the progress via the status bar in the lower right corner of the screen. Wait a few moments for the upload to finish, and the file will soon appear in your list. Now that your spreadsheet is online, let's make it editable. Find the file in your drive, which is easily identified by a green Excel icon. Double-click it to launch a preview window. At the top of this screen, select the Open with Google Sheets button. This step is vital as it transforms the Excel file into a native Google Sheets document, allowing for full editing capabilities. Google handles the conversion while preserving your data integrity and formatting. Now, you can utilize all the powerful tools within Google Sheets to modify, share, or collaborate on your work. To work with others, use the Share button located in the upper right area. Simply enter the email addresses of your collaborators, define their access levels, and you can start working together immediately. Keep in mind that all edits are saved automatically, so you never have to worry about manual saving or version history. That concludes our guide on uploading and modifying Excel files in Google Drive. Enjoy the flexibility of this integrated workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.